Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. It's also Marvin here today. In today's video, we'll be talking about Binance interface. In my last video, I introduced you to cryptocurrency. So this video is the part 2 of cryptocurrency. And under the topic cryptocurrency, we'll be talking about Binance. I explained to you that Binance is an exchange where you can carry out your crypto transaction. So this is my Binance application. After you are done creating your Binance account, if you don't have one, it's the link in the description box, and you download the application. The first opening, this is how it's going to reflect. It's going to show Binance Lite at the top. So this is not the way it's supposed to show, or this is not the normal way the interface should be, where you are going to be able to do transactions like buy cryptocurrency, sell, trade futures, trade spot. So how do you make it to show in the normal way? When you are done opening, after seeing it this way, you're going to go to this top corner. You see this avatar, this head avatar. Click on it. Currently, your Binance app is in light mode, so you have to switch off the light mode. So you switch it off, then you allow it to load. So this is Binance interface. So, but before I start talking about this interface one by one, you have to verify your Binance account. Is very important. You have to click this avatar to verify your account. You can see my account is verified already. So when you create the account, at the sub corner it's going to show unverified. So you have to verify it with some of your documents, either your driver's license, your international passport, or your national ID card. Any of them you have. Just make sure you have those documents with you, and they're going to ask you to take some pictures. Make sure the pictures are very clear when you're taking them. They're very clear. Everything is readable. And take some selfie. So that's just that about the verification. Click on verify. You click on that aspect, it takes you to the verification page. Then you verify your account. So my account is verified already. So when you click on verify, let it load. This is the interface you're going to take you to. So without you verifying your Binance account, you won't be able to use Binance application. So it's very important to verify your Binance account. You must have your international ID card, your international passport, I meant to say, or your national ID card, or your driving license, any of the three. So you must have one out of the three. So if you have any of them, congratulations, you can use Binance. So after creating your account, you verify your account. After verifying your account, this is the interface. So you can see this interface, this top circle. This is, I call it the news bar, where you get update about Binance, everything happening in Binance, followed by this other bar below here. This interface where you see deposits, referral, strategy, trading, earning, and more. So we'll be talking about just only deposits and referral. Yeah. So when you click on referral first, you can join the referral program, where you are giving a special link for people to get access to Binance using your link. For those that don't have Binance account, you register to your link and you're given a bonus for doing that. So, and if you know you don't have a Binance account yet, use the link in the description box to register an account. And deposits, I'll be talking about deposits now, because I'll be talking more on deposits later on. Sorry about this. I'm talking about deposits now. I'm talking about this interface down here. This interface here, the home page, the market, the trade, futures, and wallet. So that's what I'll be focusing on tonight. So this is the home page. You're on the home page now. The next page we're going to now is the market. The market is where you source for currency pair. You can see at the top here, You see favorites, you see sport, you see futures, and you see zone. So in the markets, that's where you sort for currency pairs to trade. For instance, I want to buy BTC. So I come here, come to the search box and I type BTC. BTC. This you can see. This is BTC here. You can see BTC. This is not BTC, this is BTC ST. This is BTC. So I just need just BTC. Let me use BTC. You can see it. You can see BTC USDT, BTC USD, BTC TUSD. So the one I'm looking for is BTC USDT. Yeah, before I go on, let me just explain what USDT is all about. USDT is a stable coin. We have stable coin and unstable coin. We have different unstable coins. BTC, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and the likes. They are unstable coin. But USDT is a stable coin. So for you to be able to trade crypto, you need a stable coin and an unstable coin to trade. So for you to trade, you need a coin that is stable. Its price is fixed. Its price does not go up and come down. So USDT is tether coin. That's United States dollar tether. That's USDT. BUSD is also a stable coin. USDC is a stable coin. So, but USDT is the most popular stable coin, or let me say, the most used stable coin for you to trade crypto. So, for you to trade, you need a currency pair to a stable coin with an unstable coin for you to trade. For now, I want to trade BTC. That's why I search for BTC. You can see BTC here, and I click on BTC USDT. But that's what I need. BTC USDT. So, click on it. Now this interface takes us to this interface where I can see what is happening in the BTC market. That's Bitcoin market. So here, this is showing what's happening in the BTC market. Talk about all this coloring turned, and you can see here this interface at the top. We are in this is time frames. So we are in the 5 months time frame. Can decide to go to this 5 month time frame means what has happened in the Bitcoin market for the past 5 months. Let me just say this. I'm not supposed to say this in this video, but let me just say it. You can see this color, this green and red. All this color indicates each month. So this first green you see here, the one I circled, the first green you see there, it takes 5 months for this first green to form, to be complete. See how long it is. And the red beside it, the short one, it takes 5 months for you to form. So I'll talk more about that later in other videos, not now, but coming soon. So the 5 months time frame. You can go to 1 hour time frame. That's 1 hour. You can see this chart has changed. You can go to 15-minute time frame. So the aim here is that I want to buy BTC. You can see below the interface buy and sell underneath. Buy and sell. So if I want to buy, I come down to buy. So this is the buy interface where I can buy BTC. I can only buy BTC if I have USDT. At the minimum amount you can use to trade and buy now. So let me say trade crypto is $10, but I don't have up to $10 in my wallet. I just have $1 plus in my wallet, so I can't buy. So this is just a training video. I don't have any intention to buy BTC. So you come down here, you make sure this place is the market price, because this is the current price of BTC. You can see it here. That's the market price. So make sure my buying decision is I want to buy with market price, not other options. You know about the other options later on. There's other options later on when I want to talk about it, not now, or coming soon. So I just put the price of BTC I want to buy, type it down here. Okay, how much do I want? How much BTC do I want to buy in USDT? Okay, but maybe imagine I have 100 USDT. You can say I have 1 USDT. Imagine I have 100 USDT. I just type in 100. 100 USDT. So you can see sufficient available balance. So I don't have up to that. So that's to buy BTC. And if I want to sell, that means I have some BTC already and I want to sell them. I use market price to sell. So that's just about that. And you can see now we are now on the trading interface. So I went to the market. Before we get here, I went to the market first. So because I searched for BTC, that's how we're able to get to the trading interface. Let me type it again. Okay, let me type another coin. Let me say XRP. You can see it here. XRP USDT. Because I clicked on XRP and that's how we get to trade. So this is actually trading. Yeah. So but you can decide not to go to market before you get it. You can just come to trading straight up. Then you can also see still the same thing. Currency pairs. If I want to change this XRP to something else, I just click that up and search for what I want to buy. Let me see. I want to buy Solana. Yes. Okay. You can see it here. Solana USDT. Just click on it. Bam. So that's changed to Solana USDT. Yeah, so that's about trading. Then we go to futures. Futures is, I would say, don't let me which one should I use? Okay. I would say it's not the safest way to trade if you are not a professional or you are not experienced. The best way to trade or the safest way for you to trade is spot trading. We have two different forms of trading. We have the spot trading and the futures trading, and we have margin trading. But the safest way is spot trading. So I'm talking about futures here. I'm talking about wallet. So this is where we are going to spend more time because I'll be. You can see this at the top: overview, spot, futures, margin. You can see I will talk about them. So we're in the overview. This overview really means everything I have in every asset I have. So you can see spots, you can see funding, you can see cross margin, isolated margin, USDT, margin, futures, coins. So I'll just be talking about the spot and the funding. So I have just 1.2 dollar in my account. Let me see BTC, $1, 22 cents. BTC in my wallet. So this is the total amount I have in my wallet. Total amount of money I have in my wallet. So this is it. So imagine now I want to deposit BTC. I click on deposit. I search for the coin I want to deposit. Let me say BTC. I can try to search for it. You can see BTC, or I decide to use this here. You can see it's showing you already, or you can decide to search for it. If it's not showing there, just click on BTC. So I want to deposit BTC, so let this load up. So immediately I click on BTC, deposit really means I want to buy BTC from other exchange. For instance, I have somebody that is selling cryptocurrency and I want to buy from the person. So I tell the person I want to buy Bitcoin, and the person said provide your wallet address. So for me to do that, I have to. That means I want to deposit into my wallet. So you can see this you are seeing here different networks. For instance, now you have different banks in Nigeria. You have the Zenith Bank, Microfinance Bank, UB, GT Bank, and the like. So every one of them has their bank and they have their different accounts number. Or let me see, okay, we have GT Bank, and GT Bank has a lot of customers with GT Bank account number. Everybody, my account number in GT Bank will not be the same account number my sister or my dad is using as a GT Bank customer. No, we have different accounts, but the same bank. So these are networks, different networks in the same bank. So, but the best network you should always use whenever you want to deposit cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is the Bitcoin blockchain. So you just click on Bitcoin. You can see here the network here is Bitcoin network. So your account number is this wallet address. So for you to receive Bitcoin in your wallet, for you to deposit Bitcoin in your wallet, you need to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. If you copy the wrong wallet or network, for instance, you want to send your Bitcoin wallet address somewhere, you send another network, you decide to send BNB, and you told the person I send Bitcoin wallet address, and you did not specify that I send BEP2 Bitcoin wallet address, and the person sent the money to the wrong wallet address, you lose your money. So that's very important. Take note of the wallet address you're using. The best wallet address is Bitcoin wallet address. So how do you copy your wallet address? Just click here, then you are done copying. So you can see wallet address copied already. Then you send this to the person you want to send to. When the person credits your account, it reflects that you already have Bitcoin in your wallet. That's about deposit. You can see spot really means that's my spot trading account. Funding really means okay, when you buy USDT through P2P, the fund you buy or the asset you buy is going to be in your funding account. I just see that funding account as a savings account where you can save any USDT you don't want to use. So that's just all about funding. So the next thing we're talking about is withdraw. Withdraw means okay, I want to transfer all my assets, all my USDT from my USDT account to my KuCoin USDT wallet. All I just do is just click on withdraw. I already have my KuCoin USDT contact address with me already. Click. So let me just do that. That's why I just rushed. So you can see this interface here. Send via crypto network or send via email, phone number, or AID. So I prefer using crypto network. So I click on crypto network. So I already have my USDT network already. I paste it here under the address. Paste it here. Under the network here, I specify the network I'm sending. So and here I put in the amount of USDT I want to transfer. So you can see under here, network fee is 0.000. So no network fee, 0.000. Network fee. You can see that. Back to one. Then I click on withdraw. Then I withdraw my cash into my KuCoin wallet. So the last interface here is transfer. So I click on transfer. So transfer really means you are transferring your wallet, your funds from your fund. You are transferring your assets from your funding to your spot. For you to trade, let me go back. For you to use these trade features, you must be able. You must have your asset under the spot wallet. Because when you buy through P2P, for instance, you buy here through P2P, the asset is going to be in your funding wallet. It's going to be in your funding wallet. So you have to transfer it from funding to spot for you to be able to trade spot. And if you want to trade futures, you have to transfer it from your funding or your spot wallet to futures wallet. So I want to withdraw, so I have to withdraw from my funding. So for instance, now I have $100 in my funding. I just bought $100 worth of USDT using P2P. So I change it from spot. I switch it up. Click here to switch it. So you can see funding is now at the top and spot is now below. So which coin do I have? Means I have USDT in my funding wallet. I just look for USDT. Click on it, then I put max. So I don't have any money in my funding wallet, so that's why it's showing just enter a valid number because I don't have anything there. So then I click on transfer. So that's that about transfer, and that's out about wallet. So in my next video I should be showing you how to buy your first asset or how to buy crypto, any crypto using your P2P features. So that's that about that. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.